Hey beauties, welcome to today's video. Lately I have been testing out a ton of more high-end luxury makeup, so I wanted to switch it up today and do a full face of drugstore affordable makeup. I want to let you know that even though I do review a lot of more high-end products on my channel, you don't need to spend that much money to create a beautiful look. If you are interested in seeing the drugstore products that I'm testing out today, then keep on watching. Alright, so we're just going to dive right in with primer. This is from Shein. This is the Birthday Skin Primer from She Glam, which is the cosmetic company from Shein. I love the little package that it comes in. It's this nice little jar. And then it's kind of like this whipped texture. It feels very interesting on the skin. So we're going to put this on, focus it where I have most of my pores and texture. And before we go in with foundation, I do have from L'Oreal, this is the True Match Lumi Glotion Natural Glow Enhancer. This, I think, is going to be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Let's open this up. Comes in a squeezy tube. This color that I have is darker than the color that I have in the Charlotte Tilbury, but we're going to see if it kind of does the same. So I'm going to apply it just like I did the Charlotte Tilbury one, kind of where I would highlight, and then I'll put my foundation over it. This is definitely making my skin glowy. It is very much so giving me the vibes of the Charlotte Tilbury. For foundation, I'm going to go in with another She Glam product. This is the Skinfinite Hydrating Foundation. Comes with a nice pump, which I love. I'm just going to put a couple of pumps right onto the lid of the primer here. Alright guys, this is what it's looking like. For concealer, I do have the Maybelline Super Stay. This is the active wear. I have used just the regular Super Stay before and I did really like it. Should have told you the foundation shade for the She Glam is in Nude. And the shade for the concealer here is, it says 11 on the top lid. Ooh, this looks pretty yellow. Okay, right away, this formula is pretty liquidy. It's like a very thin formula. I do find myself having to dip in quite a few times. Let's blend this out and hope for the best. Right off the bat, this does not have as much coverage as the other one. Let me grab the other one. This is just the Super Stay, the regular one. I'm going to put a little bit of that on with it. This formula is a lot thicker, and I do have some pretty good eye bags, so I'm just going to put a little bit there where I want some extra coverage. Okay, I don't actually have a Drugstore setting powder, so I'm just going to use the Laura Mercier under my eyes. And I'm going to pounce a little bit on the rest of my face as well. Moving on, we have the e.l.f. Putty Blush. This one is in the shade, what is this? It says Turks and Caicos right down here. I don't know if that's the shade or what, but that's what it says. Comes in a nice little jar. The color is a beautiful corally color, which y'all know I love. Just going to use this kabuki brush. I'm not sure of the brand that made it. LaRousse. And I'm going to dip it in here. Okay, I don't think it's going to be overly pigmented. Actually, that went on really nice, even on top of the powder. Alright, so this blush I do really like. Now I'm going to move it on to bronzer, and for that we picked up the Revlon Skin Lights. I gotta say, this looks really pretty. This is in 115 Sun-Kissed Beam. It looks like it might be a little on the warmer side than what I usually do, but let's try it. Going in with my Referral 05 brush. Actually, you guys, that looks really pretty as well. I thought it was going to be too orange for my skin, but it's really not. We're not going to do the highlighter quite yet. I do have this new brow product. It is from Physicians Formula. It is the Butter Palm Feathered Micro Brow Pen. This is what it looks like. Mine is in Universal Brown. So hopefully it works. This is what it looks like. Has a felt tip right there. Oh, that is going to be way too light for me. Yeah, I don't even know, it's this line right in here. That is not going to work for my eyebrows. I'll just ruin this whole look if I try to use that. Let me see if I have another one. So I do have this Marilyn Monroe brow pencil from Hard Candy. This is what I'm gonna use. Okay, brows are on. This is how everything is looking. So far, I think the base is looking fantastic. We're gonna move into highlighter now. This is the Catrice More Than a Glow highlighter. This is in 020 Supreme Rose Beam. This is a blinding highlighter. Look at that. Yes, let's put this on our face. I'm just going in with my little Morphe, I don't even know what brush this is. Wow. That is beautiful. Let's have a look at this. I think it's beautiful. Before I do my eyeshadow, I'm just going to set the base of my makeup now, and I'm going to go in with the Milani Fruit Fetish Make It Last Kiwi Watermelon Scented Setting Spray. This stuff is really nice. Oops, there. Gotta spray it a couple times so I know the mister is gonna work proper. Oh, this stuff smells so good. The sprayer is a little more harsh than other sprayers, but it smells like the Glow Recipe watermelon spray. Oh, it smells so good. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Pixie by Petra. This is the Eye Effects in Rosetta Ray, or Rosette Ray. Just a beautiful neutral palette. Starting with this pink shade. Just going to put this all in my crease. It's kind of like a beigey, browny, pink kind of color. Now going in with this deeper purple shade right here. I'm just going to deepen up my crease a little bit. Going in with the first brush and nothing else on it, I'm just going to push that around the edges of this eye and my other eye. Soften these edges. Using my finger, I'm going to go in with this gold shade on the end. And then I am going to go in with this middle lightest shade right in the middle on my Refer 03, and I'm going to use it wet. This is going to go in my inner corner and kind of blend it in through that gold shade a little bit. And then I'm just going to sweep that same deep purple shade right under the lower lash line. Not all the way, because I am going to go in with that first transition color we used as well. And kind of blend that into the front portion going into it. Just taking a little bit of what's left on my highlighter brush and placing that right under the brow. For my liner and lashes, we have two Wet n Wild products. We have the 16-hour breakup proof waterproof liquid eyeliner right here. And with that, we're going to try the Big Papa Blackest Black mascara. I am not the best at putting on eyeliner on camera, so I'll try it, but if it's not going to work well, I'll hop off. I'm gonna have to hop off for this. Alright you guys, I did get the liner on. Honestly, the felt tip on this is amazing. Let me zoom you in a little bit. The felt tip just glided on seamlessly. It went on so easy. Hopefully it really does last. My eyes do tend to get watery, so we'll see if it is actually cry resistant. Now we're gonna go in with the Big Papa mascara. I'll keep you zoomed in for this part so we can put it on together. The packaging is super cute. It's got the crown going around the top. Let's look at the wand. It has the nice kind of bristles that I like. So that looks promising. Alright guys, here is the lashes. I think it's an all right mascara. I have other ones that I think do work better. This formula seems really dry. Like, I don't know if I just got a really dried out one or what, but seems kind of dry. Last but not least, we have a lip product. I have been loving lip oils, especially the Tower 28 jelly lip things. This is from Catrice. It is the Powerful 5 Liquid Lip Balm with Hyaluron, Vitamin E, shea butter, green tea, and goji berry. This is in 030 Likey Glaze. It looks to be quite similar in shade to my Tower 28 one. This is definitely more of like a lipstick than a gloss, and my lips definitely need a gloss right now. This feels like it will be really nice when my lips aren't as chapped, but because they're so bad right now, I need my Tower 28 gloss. Alright you guys, that is it. We just created a full face of makeup that I think actually looks quite nice. If you are looking for some affordable makeup, definitely check out some of these products. I think most of them applied beautifully to the skin. Everything is looking nice. That highlight from Catrice, the More Than a Glow highlighter right here, this is beautiful, seriously. Anyways guys, if you like videos like this and you want to see more affordable makeup videos, then give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not already a part of the Men's Beauty family, what are you waiting for? Head down there, hit subscribe. If you want to be notified of upcoming videos, then turn on the little bell for your notifications. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.